So we need to use the substitution method to solve this linear equation. Let's start off by naming this equation 1 and calling this equation 2, and those make up our system. Let's start off by isolating x in equation 1, and the reason why I'm choosing equation 1 is because it seems a little less complex than equation 2, so it'll be easier to isolate for x. To isolate for x, all we have to do is move this minus 3y over to the other side of the equation. So x minus 3y equals negative 2 becomes x equals negative 2 plus 3y. Now that we have for x, we can sub that back into equation 2. So sub x equals minus 2 plus 3y into 2. Equation 2 is 2x plus 5y equals 7, and instead of x, I'm going to write minus 2 plus 3y. So 2 times minus 2 plus 3y plus 5y equals 7. Now that my entire equation is in terms of y, I can actually solve for y. So I'm going to start by opening up this bracket by distributing all the terms inside by 2. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times 3y is plus 6y. Plus 5y equals 7. Add the like terms. Minus 4 plus 11y equals 7. 11y equals 7 plus 4. 11y equals 11. Y equals 1. Now that I have y equals 1, I can sub that back into equation 2. So sub y equals 1 into 2. Equation 2 is 2x. Sorry, I'm actually going to sub that back into equation 1 since we already worked with equation 2. Equation 1 is x minus 3y equals minus 2. Instead of y, I'm going to write 1, so x minus 3 equals minus 2. Therefore, x equals minus 2 plus 3, x equals 1.